Dear friends, this is Henry Cheng, President Jewellery, Hong Kong. Peace be with you. I'm deeply saddened by the tragic fire in the new territories. Many are missing, and many reported deaths or badly wounded. Please join me now for the prayers for all of them, for their love and comfort. When the Christmas carol is around the corner, let us remind us that we are prepared for this. Show our love, concern, and actions while we can. Show them that we care for them, we love them, wherever they are. Looking forward to seeing you again in Hong Kong. This is Henry, President Jewellery, Hong Kong. Bye.